there's no going back.
Good morning, Internet. I still feel ill. I feel ill, but I feel happy. Internet. Look at this amazing woman. She cleaned the whole dang apartment.
Yeah.
Look at all this. She's making me tea.
Kitchen's not as clean as I would like.
She's making me a bagel. She's lovely.
I love you.
I'm in hobo mode today, guys. When you see me in sweatpants and a t-shirt, I'm either about to go work out or I'm in hobo mode. And today I have a heating thingy around my neck, so I'm definitely in hobo mode.
I am out here trying to figure out how my bike can fit me properly and just kind of testing it out. This guy right here, I think this is bent, like this metal hubcap, I don't know what you would call this cap thing that goes over the tire.
Niles, come here! What are you doing? I missed you. Come here, you can sit in my lap.
Someone's sick. You can't see him because of the backlight, but he's got his tea and his orange juice and his breakfast.
It's steaming even.
No. Sitting Indian style like always. Someone isn't using his healing properties. Get up there and snuggle your daddy. Right now. Niles always lays on me when I don't feel good. He does it sometimes with John, but not always. He does that. We're gonna be lazy. Have a lazy day. Someone's helping. He decided to help after all. We're watching Dr. House. Don't you take my picture.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video.
Okay, well I have to do the girly. You have to like break up your body so that you look girly.
Break up your body? That sounds painful.
Now you have to like go boom and then boom, and you look all girly.
I think you look beautiful. Anyway. Anyway, Internet, we're gonna go get some coffee. We lounged around this morning, and I'm not gonna overdo it, just because I really don't want to lose this good feeling I've gained from just drinking hot tea that my wife made, and just our...
We're just taking it easy.
Yeah.
We both don't feel so hot.
Easy. Taking it easy. Niles is taking it easy. Niles, do you not feel good either? Are you just a cat? Your hair though. It's windy today. Windy in Kansas City. Punching my baby.
Punched his lasagna.
Do a reenactment of that. Oh.
He does this thing where when I'm coughing, he lifts my hand up and goes like this.
That's what my mama always did.
It's such a joke. It's so funny. Like, it makes me want to laugh, but if I'm actually choking, it makes me want to have to choke more.
Well, if you're actually choking, I'm not going to actually, hurt your words.
I just said he looks like he's looking better, and I said that's good.
Yeah.
The way he did his lips. I said it reminded me of Link off Rhett and Link. Good Mythical Morning.
I would love to meet those guys. I feel like I have so much in common with their sense of humor.
Oh my gosh, it was so funny. Try to mimic Link's face when he was describing the way French people talk.
But they talk back in their throat like this. Oh.
We need to work on our lighting. Because a lot of times you're behind, like the light's
I know.
behind you.
I've
And we
mentioned
can't
that
see it.
Look at that poor little tree.
Well, there went my other trash. I have to clean my car out.
Nature is cleaning the trash up.
littering.
Sorry
Nature
for
made me.
nature. Nature made us litter.
And therefore it hurt itself.
Nature, you're only doing this to yourself.
Don't blow the trash out of my car.
You can't blame it on us anymore, Nature. The Wii U? No. I don't think you can actually play any games on here, can you? Or you just watch trailers. I would like a Wii U. Internet, will you give me a Wii U for my birthday? Look guys, it's Captain Hook's mixer.
We're at Aldi's.
Home on the range. Do you have a quarter?
I do. I have my Aldi quarter.
Aldi quarter. So, this is for Josh and Emma. How Josh was flipping out over paying money to use a cart. We'll show you how it's done. Okay.
Oh, look, someone left one for us.
Oh, ching.
Oh, put it back. So
Free
this is how you do it. You you're in the wrong.
I can't see it.
You can't see it through the camera screen. So you push this in, and then it like releases that one.
See, so it's just renting. It's just renting a cart.
Yep.
And don't try to do like a jip where you're trying to push this one into the back of its own self because it doesn't reach.
Although I used to try that when I was a kid.
I think everyone does. Look, you can at Aldi you can buy rose bushes and berry bushes, all kinds of plants, and these are all marked down, so they're like $4.99. Cheese, $1.99 for mozzarella. This mozzarella feels smushy. Pepper jack. I think cheese went up. Colby. That's it. Another cool thing, Josh and Emma. This vlog is all about you, I guess, today. But $1.69 for eggs, and they're like big eggs. They're not tiny. There you go.
The thing you need to know about all these is that you have to either buy a sack, bring your sack, because you don't have any way of taking it out. They don't give you free sacks.
So now we're taking the cart back. And then you put it. See, Josh? Look, Josh. You get your quarter back. Splank. See, it doesn't cost a quarter. It's collateral. It's collateral and incentive, I guess.
To not steal their carts, because if
Well, and to put the carts up so they don't have to come out here.
And for those of you that aren't from America, Americans steal carts in the Walmart section, particularly.
Or trolleys or buggies or
anything that's not
whatever
nailed,
you call them.
nailed down, or yeah, because we're full
Or a bunch of
idiots
thieves,
and,
especially in the Midwest. James from The Chick's Life, tell us how it is in Portland. Is it really like Portlandia? Look, guys, this is how the thumbnail for the vlog is decided.
I eat your internet.
Don't eat the internet because it's very high in calories.
Just think about myself and not worry about anybody else. My girls are trying to convince me that it's time. I am apprehensive, I'm nervous, I'm terrified, excited, all rolled into one. It's hard to pinpoint one emotion for so many of them.
This cat is ridiculously relaxed right now. You're ridiculous. Guys, look at this really cool stinking drawing that Tabby did. Look at this. She did Midna. That's so awesome. Anyway. Alright guys, it's time to call it a night. We've had kind of a poopy day with trying to sleep and relax, not sleep but relax, and just spend time together and just try to heal and feel better. Now we're gonna drink some hot tea, watch a little bit of TV, and I'm finishing up a couple shirt designs, and then what? Do you want to say goodbye to the internet? We'll tell them. Say goodbye to the internet. Tell them, like the video, subscribe to the channel, go check out all the links in the description, and have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.